Alright, here is just a quick explanation of how we find slope. Okay, so you can see I have 2 points on my line, this point and this point, and I'm just going to connect those 2 points going to the right and then up. So if I grab a line, I go to the right 2, and then I go up 2, and I get to my point. Okay, so again, that was to the right, positive 2. Sorry, that was to the right, positive 2, and then up 2. Okay, and so the way we represent slope is rise over run. In our case here, the rise was a positive 2, the run was a positive 2. Now, they're both positive because when you go up, it's positive, and when you go to the right, it's positive. Now, if it were to go to the left, and I'll draw a line here. If I were to go to the, I'll make it this line here. If I go this way, it's negative, okay? If I go down, it's a negative rise, okay? So left is a negative run, down is a negative rise. Up is a positive rise, to the right is a positive run, okay? So use that and connect your points and say, well, I got to go down this many, so that's a negative rise. I got to go to the right this many, that's a positive run.